What's the meaning of alignment? Alignment. 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 Alignment.
Alignment refers to the arrangement or synchronization of different elements in a cohesive and consistent manner. It is the process of making sure all parts of a system work together towards a common goal or purpose. Proper alignment can result in improved efficiency, productivity, and overall performance. By aligning objectives, strategies, and resources, organizations can achieve optimal outcomes and meet their goals. It is a key concept in business management, project management, and leadership, and is essential for achieving success and growth in any field.